As we all know, Samsung will be unveiling the Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd. And today, we've got the inside scoop on what might be the star of the show, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And trust me, it's looking pretty wild. Now, this isn't just any leak. Roland Quant, one of the most reliable sources out there, just dropped the specs. So, let's dive right in. First up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor worldwide, offering a substantial boost for those who crave performance. This smartphone promises outstanding speed. If you enjoy vibrant displays, you're in for a delight. It boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2 XLTPO display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and an impressive peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring it remains usable even under bright sunlight. But there's much more to explore. The S25 Ultra will come in different configurations. 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage, and for the most demanding users, 16 GB of RAM paired with a whopping 1 TB of storage. That's just incredible. Moreover, it will also support 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging, meaning you won't have to wait too long for a power boost. In terms of dimensions, the S25 Ultra stands slightly taller, is narrower, and weighs less than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. While it maintains the same peak brightness, it features upgraded RAM for larger storage options and faster wireless charging speeds, up from 15 watts to 25 watts. Samsung is clearly making some impressive advancements. Looking at the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, the S25 sports a 6.2-inch QHD Plus display, while the S25 Plus enhances this to a 6.7-inch FHD Plus screen. All models will provide that stunning 2600 night brightness. As for battery capacity, the S25 Ultra comes with a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 45-watt charging. The S25 Plus has a 4900 mAh battery, also at 45 watt, and the S25 carries a 4000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging capability. Importantly, every model will operate on Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, crafted specifically for Galaxy devices. I'm curious to see how this chip compares to the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite found in other flagship models, like the Xiaomi's latest 15 Pro or OnePlus 13. And let's not overlook the AI enhancements. Samsung isn't just concentrating on raw power. With the anticipated Galaxy AI features set to debut on January 22nd, the S25 series is expected to become smarter, faster, and more user-friendly than ever. So, if you share my excitement about Samsung's Unpacked event in 2025, be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on this and all your tech news. Catch you soon.